Good morning, students. Welcome to your online computer class. Dear student, this is your first day in the new session and first day in 7th class. Dear students, all of you have done very good in your previous class and I hope in 7th class all of you will do your best. Let's start reading. Student, this is your new book, that is Login. Student, let's start reading our second chapter, that is function in Excel. Student, before discussing function in Excel, let's do some basics of MS Excel. What is MS Excel and why we use MS Excel? Student, Excel is used to create database. If I want to create a student record in tabular form, then I use Microsoft Excel. As we are using Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, similarly Microsoft Excel is also a product of MS Office. MS means Microsoft, and it has same shortcut keys as we use in other Microsoft Office programs. Excel help us to analyze, report the data. We can easily type or analyze the data in Excel. Student, these are the component of Microsoft Excel. This is called Office button. It contains the commands like open, new, save as. After that, this is called ribbon. Ribbon contain groups and groups contain a set of command. For example, this is font. Font is called a group and bold, italic, underline, these are called commands. After that, student, this A1. This is called name box. Name box show the address of an active cell. This is called formula bar. Whatever you type in an active cell, it show the content of an active cell. These A, B, C, D, these are column headers or column letters. These are the column. 1, 2, 3, these are called rows and rows are numbering with 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, student, here this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. By default, Microsoft Excel contain 3 sheets which are named as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. We can rename these files, these sheets, and you can insert using this button. We can also delete these sheets. Student, now I'll give you the practical of these. Students, let's start the practical of Microsoft Excel. Student, this is a window of Microsoft Excel. On the top, you see a file name book 1. When we open MS Excel, by default file name is book 1, book 2, book 3. When we save this file, the name will be changed. How you can save it? Click on File tab or choosing the option Save As. Your file will be saved. Now after that, there are different tabs: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout. Each tab contains different commands. For example, if I click on Home tab, my different commands are these. If you click on Insert tab, you will get these types of commands. After the tab, this is called ribbon. Ribbon contain groups. For example, table groups, illustrations group, add-ins groups. If I click on Home tab, my group will be clipboard, font, and each group contain different types of command. For example, font group contain bold, italic, underline commands. After that, student, what is this? This is called name box and this is called formula bar. I'll tell the function of name box and formula bar. Before discussing their function, let's start. What are these? A, B, C, D. These are called columns. Vertical series of lines are called columns and horizontal series like 1, 2, 3. These are called rows. So what is this? Is called a worksheet. Excel sheet contains rows and columns. Now, what is this rectangular box? This rectangular box is called cell. What is called? What is rectangular box is called? Yes, this is called cell. Now, what is a cell? Cell is an intersection of column and row. Where row and column meet, it makes a cell. Now, student, each cell has its own address that is unique. For example, if I click here, its address will be shown in name box B3. What is address? Address is a combination of column name and row number. If I click here, now tell me the address. Yes, E2, and name box shows the address of an active cell. What is a function of name box? Name box shows the address of an active cell. If I click here, yes, address will be C6. Now, next is formula bar. What is the function of formula bar, student? Formula bar shows the content of an active cell. Name box shows the address of an active cell and formula bar shows the content of an active cell. For example, my active cell is C2. If I type here hello, now my content in formula bar will be hello. Clear? Now student, let's start typing data in Excel. How to type it? First click on a cell A1. Now I am typing name. To move to the next cell, you can use tab key or arrow key. I am using tab key. After that, I am entering roll number. Then I am entering class. Then section. Again, go to the cell A2, type the data. For example, I am typing the data. Name is Anu, roll number is 1 and class is 7th and section is B. Next is Rahul, roll number is 2, class is 7th and section is C. Similarly, student, you can type the data of other students. Thank you, students.